Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to learn how to trace temporary ad serve limit placed on your Adsense account, or ad serving has been limited on your account, which is known for short as ad limit. If this is your first time of watching my video, I made videos on backlinks, blogging tips, and how to make money online. So subscribe to this channel to get notification whenever I make new videos. So back to the topic. Ad serving limits. So what is ad serving has been limited on your Adsense account? It is simply a restriction placed on the number of ads your site can show. Normally, an Adsense account can show a limited number of ads per day. But once an Adsense account has limits, it means that the number of ads it can show has been limited. So that it might be 200, 300. So once it attains that number of ads that's been allotted to it, no ads will show again. An ad serving limit is a common issue with newly approved Adsense accounts. There are two types of ad serving, which are ad placements and invalid traffic. Ad placement is as a result of the way you place your ad. The way you place your ads can lead to ad serving limits. So if you don't place your ads properly, it can lead to ad serving limits. The second one is invalid traffic. Invalid traffic is the one that is caused by the traffic that is the source of the traffic to your sites. And let's go to the causes of ad serving limits. One, the wrong ad placement can cause it. Constant accidental intentional clicks on your ads, encouraging users to click on your ads, both traffic. Having TTR above 20%, that is, click-through rates, which is above 20%, will definitely cause ad serving limit on your Adsense account. Then buying of traffic, that is when you buy traffic from untrusted sites, it can make you ad serving limits on your Adsense account. Google didn't make clear what they mean by untrusted sites. But example of untrusted sites is from social media traffic and pop-up ads can be referred to as an untrusted site. Now, what are the solutions as serving limits? The solutions to this is very, very easy. This is very, very easy to fix. One, check if there's any manual ad placement covering content on your site. If there's any ads covering the content of your site, then you need to fix it. Another thing is your team. The team of your blog, the team of your site can also cause ad serving limits. In this case, what you have to do is to change the team of your site. Change the team of your site. The other solution to this is to stop any ads. If you're running ads, why you called ad serving limit, so you need to immediately stop running that ad until you fix the problem. Another is run Bing or Google ads. These are the two most trusted way of running ads, by using Bing or Google ads. Run Bing or Google ads under your Adsense site for some days or until it is being removed. When you run Google ads or Bing ads to it, Adsense serving limits will be removed from your site. The other is write content that can drive organic traffic to your site. One of the reasons that caused into ad limit is adding most of your traffic coming from untrusted sites. If you're having most of your traffic coming from untrusted sites, it's going to need to add certain limits. So in this case, when you outsource, you need to write more content that can drive organic traffic to your site. When you're having organic traffic, restrict traffic coming from untrusted sites or from social media sites, this can reduce the possibility of getting out certain limit. So in this case, what you have to do is to write the keyword research, then target low competitive keywords. Using that keyword, write a well-optimized article. Then optional, build backlinks to the content so that the content will be able to perform or rank well on search engine pages. Another way is do nothing or remove your ads code. Sometimes I solve ads limits Adsense account by doing nothing or by simply removing the ads code on my site. This has resolved ads limit on my site initially. But this is not one of the best ways to resolve it. Instead of doing nothing or removing your articles, first of all, try the aforementioned, which is stop running ads, run ads using Bing or Google Ads, and write content that can drive organic traffic to your site. Then the next thing, which is the last way to get AdSense server links to move from your account, is by contacting AdSense support team via your AdSense account. So this is how you get it done. Go to your AdSense account, come to this place, scroll down, and click on feedback. At least we are going to write a short message informing AdSense to remove ads limit on your site and why they should remove it. And also you can send screenshots if necessary. And after that, click on this and click on send. Once you've done that, they will receive the message you sent to them and they will work on it. So these are the ways to remove ad serving limits placed on your AdSense account. You may ask, is it possible to still make money when you have ad serving limit placed on your account? Yes, it is very possible to still make money when you're having ads limit on your site. But the only problem is it will affect your earning drastically. So if you're earning like $5 per day, due to the ads limit placed on your site, you might be earning less than $1 per day. So that is how you solve ads limit placed on your AdSense account. If you have any question, comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like this video. And I will see you in the next video.